boys and girls. It's Miss Melissa here, and I have a really fun story to read to you today. The name of the story is What Will Fat Cat Sit On? And it's written by Jan Thomas. What will Fat Cat sit on? What do you see, friends? Is that a little mouse? Squeak! It looks like maybe Fat Cat sees some footprints and a little mouse is hiding. Will Fat Cat sit on the cow? Moo? No, Fat Cat will not sit on the cow. Yee-haw! Will Fat Cat sit on the chicken? Cluck! It looks like, boys and girls, the chicken is saying to Fat Cat, sit on the pig! Sit on the pig! The chicken does not want to get sat on by Fat Cat. And the pig says, oink! No, Fat Cat will not sit on the chicken or the pig. Yippee! Will Fat Cat sit on the dog? Look at the dog's face, boys and girls. It looks like a very grumpy dog, and it's going, grrr. Do you think Fat Cat will sit on the dog? Look at Fat Cat. Fat Cat looks afraid of the dog. No, Fat Cat will not sit on the dog. Okay, so Fat Cat will not sit on the cow, the chicken, or the pig, or the dog. Then, what will Fat Cat sit on? Eep! The mouse looks nervous. The mouse says, perhaps he could sit on the chair? Do you think that would be a good place for Fat Cat to sit, on the chair? The chair, of course! All the animals are excited. The chair, of course. That's a great idea. That's a great place for Fat Cat to sit. Oh, there's Fat Cat sitting on the chair. Now, what will Fat Cat have for lunch? Oh, Fat Cat is licking his lips. He's hungry for lunch. What will Fat Cat have for lunch? Lunch! What are the animals doing? All of the animals are running away. They don't want to be eaten up for lunch. And do you know who's running the fastest of all? There's Fat Cat's paws. Who's running away so fast? That's right, it was the mouse. I hope you enjoyed my silly story today, friends. Have a good afternoon.